this video, I will show you how to install APK Pure on your device. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. If you have an issue during installing APK Pure, just click on Setting, then Activate, Allow from the source, then click in button back and install again. With APK Pure, you can download almost all paid applications for free. Also, you can find applications that not available in Play Store. So let's see how to download and install APK Pure in your device. First, we need to download the application from APK Pure website. The direct link to download is in description. Follow step by step as I am doing. After downloading application, click and open, then start to install it. Here maybe setting option appear before install, so activate allow from unknown source. Then click in Allow Access. After this steps your application installed successfully. Now you can enjoy installing paid application for free. I hope that you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe.